Hi everyone, I'm back to finish off our beanie. So I've done it all the way up to the top, and as you can see it looks pretty good. So that's my smile, my frown, my smile, my frown. Okay, so I've got that going, all really good. I hope you've all been able to follow my tutorial on that. So now we've just got up to the top. I haven't finished this piece because I thought I'd leave it to show you. So now I will continue. So remembering the left hand side was the smile and the right hand side was the frown. All right, smile on the left. So you continue up doing exactly the same thing as all the side, even though you've done all your shaping. And as we get near the top, I'll put my hand in so we can see. So as you can see, that's the yarn that I left out before when we're doing the top. So now this will be my last one on this side. So that's the frown and then the smile on this side. And again, as you can see, I've done all the way up to there. That piece there, which is a little bit, I haven't brought that one in yet. So just very gently, just like what I said before, just very gently pull. Just pull a little bit and then keep going until you can feel it. I can feel it pulling all the way. Now see how that's pulled it in? Then what you do is you just do this, not too hard. You can put a little bit of pressure, but not too much. Okay, so now we're at the top, and just to get that looking the same, what I do is I actually pick up one more stitch right down in there and coming up on that edge piece, so it looks like the next one coming over. And then I'm right there, so all I'm going to do now is, so I get one like that right here, all I'm going to do is go right over into the center where we pulled it all together at the crown, and then I'm just going to very gently pull. So now it all looks the same. All right, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to turn it inside out. And I've still kept this one here for now. So where's my other? There it is. So now what I'm going to do is just weave this in and out. So going through there. And at this stage you can go through the fibres, all right, of your wool. That will then, when we go to trim it off, so all I'm doing is just going through the actual fibres of the stitch of the wool and keep it going, and do one more. Just like to maybe take it back the other way just to make sure. Always like to do a little bit extra so it doesn't come undone. All right. So that's that done. Now, I thought I had my scissors here. So when you come to cut it, see how the fibres are going that way, like that? So that's the way that you cut your thread, on an angle like that, not that way. Because if you cut it like that, across, it will stick up. If you cut it on an angle, the same way the fibres are going, then you just gently pull, you cut the fibre just like the yarn, just like there on an angle, then all you do is just bring it back through, just bring it back in there, then give it a little bit of a rub, and that mats it in underneath. And then I will do exactly the same with these ones. With this end, doing the same thing. And because it's a blunt needle, sometimes it takes a little bit just to get it started. Now it's not going to be as obvious with using only the one strand going through. So just like that. And even if you come down into the next row. Alright, so that's that one. There we go. And the same thing with that. You will just gently pull, cut it on the angle, and then just bring it back and then just massage it a little bit. So now we come back to the other side. My apologies for not having a pair of scissors on hand. So what we're going to do is we just, because it's only a thin one, we're going to go down, follow one of those down into the inside the cap, okay, your beanie, just like that. Again, so you can't see it, all right. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing on this side. We're just going to take it through the fibres. And through. And you can come back this way too if you want. Just so as long as it's going through and it's going to connect. Alright, there we go. So just very gently pull that back. Again, trim it, gently pull, trim it on the angle, not that way, not straight across. And then just take it back, give it a bit of a massage, and that's all those done. And there we go. I'll hide those back in there. So there's your beanie. All right. So that's the adult one. Now I've also, this is the teen, and then this is the child one. Now I've actually been able to get teen, a baby, and this is my last one as the baby one. There we go, like that. That one's going to be the same. And I've got that out of one ball of the Placard Cascade. All right, so, and it's beautiful and thick and nice and squishy and warm. So I hope you've that's helped you a lot. So enjoy making your beanie, and yeah, have a lovely day.